When shopping for a car, many focus on the engine, but the transmission plays an equally crucial role. Terms like automatic are often used broadly, but not all automatics are the same. In this video I will break down 4 main types of transmissions: manual, dual clutch, traditional automatic and CVT. We will discuss how each feels to drive and their maintenance needs, and which might suit your driving habits best. And hit that subscribe button, it really helps other people to see useful videos. First one, manual transmission, old school done right. Manual gearboxes are simple, tough and give you full control. You decide when to shift, how to drive and how much power you want. No computers, no delay, just your foot and the clutch. They are cheaper to maintain, and if something breaks, repairs are usually easy and affordable. Plus, you get better fuel economy compared to most automatics. But here is the catch. In city traffic it gets tiring. Constant shifting, clutch in, clutch out, not for everyone. And sure, it takes a bit of practice. If you have never driven stick before, there is a learning curve. And most new cars don't even offer manuals anymore. It's becoming a rare skill. For example, Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla used to offer manuals, but by 2023 most trims have gone fully automatic. Only the Type R still keeps the stick. Great if you love driving and want control. Less great if you are in stop-and-go traffic every day. Second transmission, dual clutch. Fast but picky, also known as DSG or DCT. They use 2 separate clutches for odd and even gear sets, allowing for rapid gears changes. It's the reason why some cars feels like sports cars, even if they are not. Fast shifts, no drama, fun with paddle shifters. Efficient when driven right. But trust me, everything breaks when time comes, or when you mistreat it. Recently, a friend of mine here in the UK had his Ford Galaxy go into a limp mode. Turns out his power shift dual clutch gearbox failed. I personally called around for repair quotes, and the prices were all over the place. £3,200, £2,200, even £1,500 depending on parts and warranty. These gearboxes are found in many Fords from 2020s and also in many Volvos. And here is the kicker, many of them require gearbox oil changes much earlier than people expect. Skip that and repairs come fast and expensive. So yes, dual clutch fast, but for daily traffic or stop-and-go driving, it's not the best choice. Number 3. Automatic, the comfy middle. This is what most people think when they hear automatic. Just put it in drive and go. No clutch, no hassle. Great in traffic and for long drives. Super smooth when it works right. Reliable if you service it properly. Regular fluid changes are key. My personal experience, I had a 2009 Mazda 6 with automatic. In 2018, at around 150,000 kilometers, it started acting up. Hard shifts, gear skipping. And once it refused to go into reverse in a busy parking lot. Full transmission repair cost me $1,500. But after that it drove fine for 2 more years, and after I sold it. So yes, automatics are comfy, but skip maintenance or ignore warning signs and you will pay. And if you want to avoid my mistakes, you can check other video on my channel that called Mistakes That Kill Your Auto. Number 4. CVT, smooth or just weird. CVT stands for continuously variable transmission, and yes, it's different. There are no fixed gears, the car just glides. Feels a bit like driving scooter, smooth, steady, no shifting ever. That makes it super comfy for city driving, especially in traffic. You will barely feel the car change speed. It's also good on fuel, but not everyone loves it. Repairs not cheap. If something goes wrong, there is no fixing a part. It's often full replacement. Like you are pushing the accelerator, but nothing's really happened. And if you ever need to tow something or drive a bit harder, CVTs don't like that. To summarize, every gearbox has its ups and downs. Manual, super reliable if you treat the clutch right. CVT, smooth but often gets tired after 100k miles. Automatic, solid choice, just change the fluid on time. Dual clutch, quick and sporty, but hates traffic, heat and lazy maintenance. If this helped, like the video and hit subscribe. More honest car videos coming soon.